In today's video we are going to cook crepes. Crepes, it's the lightest pancakes that you will cook. Ni pancake but zinakuanga nyepesi sana, right? So what you need here, I have a cup of flour, you need 1 egg, salt, you need sugar and water. You can either use water or milk. For me, I will use water, but as I always say, I use a little amount of ingredients because my family is not that big. If you have big family, please make sure you use the right measurements. Okay, so we are going to start off mixing our dry ingredients. That is, we have our flour here. Okay, I'm going to mix 2 spoons of sugar, 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt to taste, a pinch, so we are going to mix this. Mix them until they are fully mixed. Okay, in your bowl or whatever you will be using, they are all mixed. See, next thing that you are going to mix, it's our egg. We have an egg here. That's what we are going to mix. Mix everything till it's fully mixed. Well guys, this is the best and easiest way of making breakfast. I'm just making my breakfast. It's around 8 in the morning. Okay, so we have our egg and flour together with our salt and sugar. They already mixed there. Okay, our next step, we are going to use water. Mix water. I'm using a half of cup to add water. You will add your water slowly by slowly until your mix is slightly made. It's supposed to be smooth and light, iwe nyepesi kabisa. Please make sure you will try it for your family. Crepes are so sweet, they are so delicious. It's not a must you cook the normal pancake. You can also try this. You can, as I said, you can use milk instead of water. Okay. To your mixture, you're going to add 2 2 spoons of cooking oil. Remember, we are cooking light pancake. 2 spoon, 1, 2. But don't add 2 while you are cooking a lot of crepes. So you are going to use them according to the people you have in your family. So we are going to mix our cooking oil with our mixture. And I think our mix is ready for cooking. So we proceed to cooking. You can see how light it is. Light, very smooth. See? Make sure it's very smooth. See? Very smooth. You see, even when it's in my spoon. So let's proceed to cooking. So we proceed to cooking, guys. Make sure your pan is hot. Scoop. Spread. Close the pan. You see? Do you see the bubbles? It's forming some bubbles. So utajua imeiva ukiona imeanza kukua brown. It's turning like brown on the other side, on the upper side. Cook both sides. You give it some few minutes. You see bubbles? It's forming some bubbles. And one thing you will notice, so one thing with these crepes, guys, make sure you're using a non-stick pan, because if you use the other pan, it might be a bit sticky. But you can try with the other pans. With this one, we proceed to cooking. This is our third pancake crepe. You can call it crepe, you can call it pancake, any can suit. Yeah. Sorry. In this house we are coughing, all of us, but God is faithful. We are okay now. So we turn our crepe. Let's turn it. There we have it. Don't forget to add oil on the other side to help cooking well. Go and try it, guys. It's so simple, so delicious. You will enjoy it. Your babies, mostly babies, they enjoy these crepes. Even adults do. You see how it is? Amazing, right? So sweet. So easy and delicious to cook and to enjoy your pancake. You can enjoy it with milk, a cup of coffee, a tea, African tea, Kenyan tea. One day we will make Kenyan tea. Yeah. see our crepe is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching up to this part. As you can see, our crepes are ready for eating. You will allow me to enjoy what I've cooked. Please make sure you subscribe, you share, you like, comment. And as you can see, zimeiva vizuri, ni tamu, zapendeza. So please go and try it for your family, cook it for your kids. Come and tell me if they enjoyed. It's a very quick, easy crepes. You can cook them within 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes if you are cooking a lot of them. So keep trying. You can see I liked it. I liked what I cooked. They look so yummy. I enjoyed mine with an African tea, that is Kenyan tea. So please make sure you will try it. So thank you so much for watching up to this part. From the time we started cooking our crepes, I hope you followed all the steps and you will try it at the comfort of your home. So thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, keep supporting me, like, comment, share, and we grow our channel until tufike 1K and more. There we go, we have it. So bye bye guys, and see you to our next vlog. Love you, thank you, and keep supporting me. Msichoke.